welcome. We're doing some shit with the bikes today. You see that right there? I'm gonna have a fat chick's ass on there. I'm gonna be slapping it constantly. Alright guys, so today we're gonna be stripping apart the 1988 KDX200 two-stroke Bad Mama. This is kind of my bike.
It's our bike, but we're building it for you.
So anyway.
This is the YZ450. This is gonna be a full build. We have a bunch of stuff already here for this. We're doing everything to it. We're taking engine out, polishing the frame, new plastics, new top end, powder coating, a bunch of crap. That's gonna be a fun one to watch, along with this one. Today we're stripping it down. We're gonna get the frame off, sandblast it, paint it, get new plastics for this, redo this, make it all road legal for this dude.
We're gonna make it quick.
Cause we be on a tough love. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a tough love. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly.
Ding ding, ding ding, bang bang ba. Oh, we've got the frame sat here, ready to go into workshop tomorrow, getting sandblasted, and we got all these things blasted off, and I'm absolutely blasted.
Cause we be on a tough love. Cause we be on a tough love. Don't be afraid of falling.
I got all the pieces that need sandblasting with me here. After work, I'm gonna get those sandblasted and lay some color on them. Hopefully it looks sick. Frame's all sandblasted. I'm gonna continue prepping these pieces for paint. This kid's gonna polish the swing arm. This kid's gonna extend the kickstand. Let's get to it.
Here we got the extension for the peg leg.
The old kickstand.
Got her all cut and measured. Slapping her on there.
I see. She's putting a little extension piece,
Yep.
welding that all together, then prepping it. We'll paint it all together with that stuff.
That should be good to go.
Mint. So we have the, where are they? Lower shock mount, part of the kickstand, upper engine mount. You get it, all a bunch of crap in the engine bay. That's all going black. And then we have the frame itself, which is going a nice Cowie green. So we'll see how that turns out. Alright guys, so unfortunately the GoPro died while I was doing that time lapse. But this is what she looks like after the clear has been put on. Just looks awesome. I am super excited to see what this looks like all put back together. It's going to be a while until that happens, but this is a great start. Awesome.
This bitch. She's ready to go in to Elliot's work tomorrow. Get blasted, absolutely sandblasted.